Guys, kaya nyo bang i-make tong squishy alien? Tingnan nyo guys, ang sobrang liit niya. Alam nyo ba kung paano ginawa ko ito guys? Lagyan nyo lang ang blue plastic, tsaka sticker. I put a apple sticker guys, so you can put any stickers. And you can put squishy balls dito sa ayan, ito guys, so ito yung squishy balls. Ito na guys, yung mga squishy balls, yellow kinuha ko paano squishy guys, diba na-write ko names na yun. So I put natin a face. Lahat. I'm so clumsy. Lagyan natin siya a face guys. Whatever face. Sana. Ang isang takip. Yan. Lagyan natin dito. Yan. Lagyan natin siya bita pampang. Yes! Cute niya. Cute niya. Yan, dito ka. So, comment down below kung kaya nyo tong itutok challenge, guys. I love the squishies so much. So, yeah. So, I have... Kaya nyo bang i-make tong squishy? Comment at share, like, subscribe. Bye! Bye-bye. Bye, best friends. Wait. I need to take this off. How can I take this off? Maybe later. I was taking it off. Okay, bye. Bye, best friend. Bye. Best friends. Holly. Bye, the basket.